Today's operator signal is this: AI security has moved from policy to operations. For the last 2 years, the question was mostly, should employees use AI and which tools should we allow? Today's news says that question is too small. AI is now sitting inside attacks, inside employee workflows, inside developer budgets, inside training programs, and inside frontier model release debates. Start with the sharpest item. Checkpoint published its AI Security Report 2026 today. The headline is not that attackers use AI to write better phishing emails. The report says AI has moved from development aid to live attack operator across major stages of the cyber attack chain. Checkpoint highlights examples like an AI operator breaching government agencies, indirect prompt injections rising fivefold in 3 months, and one approved ChatGPT integration pulling more than 400 sensitive internal files in under a second. For operators, this changes the security model. You cannot treat AI as a browser tab with a policy poster next to it. If an AI system can read data, call tools, summarize files, or act on behalf of a user, it is part of the production environment. It needs access reviews, logging, data loss controls, prompt injection testing, and incident response. That same control story is showing up in normal business software. SafetyCulture updated its agents preview documentation this week. Its agents can scan organization data, surface findings, recommend next steps, run on schedules, notify teams when scheduled runs succeed or fail, and preserve run history. The product framing is useful because it shows how practical agents are entering inspection, safety, quality, and field operations. The point is not that every agent is dangerous. The point is that recurring agents become recurring operations. When a system checks reports every Tuesday, flags findings, and suggests next steps, the business needs to know who authorized the schedule, what data it can see, which outputs require human review, and how the run history is retained. GitHub added another control signal. Its code quality license estimate is now in public preview ahead of general availability on July 20th, priced at $10 per active committer per month. That sounds like a finance detail, but it matters. AI-assisted developer tooling is becoming a governed operating cost. Platform teams need to know who is enabled, what usage will cost, and which AI-driven fixes or reviews are excluded from the estimate. Then look at adoption. Google DeepMind launched ATL Saathi on July 14th, a Gemini-powered web application for Atal tinkering lab educators. It gives teachers planning and training support, project generation, curriculum material summaries, and multilingual access with the teacher still in the lead. This is a good reminder that responsible AI adoption is not just access to a model. It is training in the flow of work attached to real tasks, local context, and clear human ownership. Finally, Axios reported that Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis is calling for a US-led frontier AI watchdog before year-end, with labs voluntarily sharing advanced models for pre-release safety testing around cyber, biological, and deception risks. Whether that exact structure happens or not, the direction is obvious. The most powerful models will need evidence before release, not just marketing claims after launch. Put the pieces together and the playbook is clear. Build an AI security runbook, inventory every AI tool and agent, map what data it can reach, define what it can do without approval, put high-risk prompts and sensitive file retrieval under controls, track recurring agent schedules, give finance visibility into AI-enabled tooling costs, train people inside the workflow, not in a one-time slideshow. And for high-impact models or agents, require release evidence before deployment. That the next phase of AI adoption will reward the teams that can move fast and still prove control. The question is no longer, are we using AI? The operator question is, can we show who uses it, what it can reach, what it changed, what it cost, and what evidence says it is safe?